Today I want to show you a client favorite, and it's really easy. It's like 5 ingredients, it's healthy, really good snack for summer. So it is a lemon parsley hummus. Lemon about half or 1 small one, but this is a large one. Some parsley, just a little bit. A little garlic clove that I cut in half, and 1 can of garbanzo beans. I like this brand, Eden. It's BPA free lining and all that. So what I have done is drained the beans, rinsed them a little bit. Oh yeah, we'll need a little olive oil as well, like a 1/4 cup, and salt. And get yourself a handy little food processor that doesn't cost too much and it doesn't take too much space. So this thing is great for sauces, for hummus, any kind of thing like that. I really love this little thing. Start with our beans in there. So we just put those. You can make this with any kind of beans. Any kind of beans you got. White beans are good. A little olive oil, like, I don't know, a couple tablespoons. We're gonna put our lemon, like half of a lemon. I just squeeze it, catch the seeds. Okay, I need to get some leverage here. We're gonna put our garlic in there, and we're gonna wait on the parsley, because if you put it in now, it's gonna just turn all green. So we wanna process this first. Lastly, a little pinch of salt, maybe like half a teaspoon. I just kind of go by taste. So we're gonna start with that. And a little water, maybe 2 tablespoons. Cold water is best. You can put a little ice in it so that when it processes, it doesn't warm the beans and everything. And it just gives a smoother texture, really. And it's a little healthier, so you don't have to add more oil. So we need more liquid, I can tell you that. So we're gonna add the rest of our olive oil. It's like 2 more tablespoons. We'll add a little tablespoon of water, and we'll continue. So once it's been processed and we have a smooth texture like this, then we are gonna add our parsley. Sorry, it's an awkward angle. Don't get any of the hard stems in there, just like a little bunch like that. Tuck him in there, and we'll be ready to go. Okay, lock and load. And it should be looking something like that. Wasn't too bad, was it? Now you can taste. It's be nice and smooth. Taste if we need to add more salt or lemon. No, it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. Have this with carrot sticks or cucumber or pita chips. Let me know in the comments if you try it out, and I'll try to give you a little more snack ideas, healthy snacks for the summer. So give me a sun in the comments if you want some summer snack healthy ideas. Okay, till the next one, keep cooking.